Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add website as a shortcut icon on the home screen in Motorola Razr 40. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Here find the website that you want to add as a shortcut. Then click on these three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You might also have the arrow pointing up. And then find Add to Home Screen. When you click on it, you'll be able to rename the icon however you like. When it's ready, click on Add and add to the home screen. Now we can go back to the home screen, and here's the icon. Click on it to open this website instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.